Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanne and I'm here at Just Dream Big. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Okay, if you haven't already guessed by the title, we're doing an unboxing. It's the Ipsy Glam box! Oh my gosh! It's here! Yes! And I believe, so if you don't know, Ipsy is a subscription box that you get monthly, and it ranges, I believe, the monthly subscription for the box or bag is between $15 and I want to say $45. I'm not sure, but I will leave the link below. So I have the middle subscription, and so it guarantees you, let me show you the box. So it's a subscription box for cosmetics, skincare, and beauty. Okay, and it says right here, discover yourself. Yes, you can. And it's so affordable, and it's great, especially if you're new to makeup, or if you love makeup and you want to get, you know, these deluxe size samples, or certain boxes have full-size items and for such a reasonable price. And Ipsy is located here in the Bay Area, their headquarters, and they distribute these boxes. I mean, I think is it worldwide? I'm not sure. I will double check on that, but it's such a great deal. And I believe I want to say I pay $25 a month. I'm gonna look that up. Hold on one second. Okay guys, I did check, and it is my particular subscription is $25 a month. And what you do is that before you as you choose your bag, they kind of get an idea through questions of your likes, your dislikes, colors, products that you use most. Are you into more brushes? Are you more skincare? Your type of skin, the type of makeup you use. You like bright colors, you like more neutrals, things like that. So they really try to cater to your needs and your wants in terms of beauty and skincare. So let's get started. I'm so excited. So first we get this little postcard, and it says make waves. It's the June 2020 box. It states, summer is more than a season, it's a state of mind. Yes, girl. You deserve to rock that neon liner, swipe that bright gloss, and go full on bold for you. Break your beauty rut and create a splash. To get the 101 on your products, head to Ipsy.com for all the intel straight from our pros. Hashtag Ipsy makes waves. And then in the back, I believe there's, a challenge. And make waves and win $1,000. Okay, good to know. And so I believe everything here is full size. And let's start with the liner. Oh my god. It's an Illamasqua liner, and I think this is black, yes. So from what I understand from Southern Mom and on YouTube and other Ipsy bag YouTubers, you do seem to get a lot of black eyeliners, whether it's liquid or pencil. But I have to say, I mean, this pretty much paid for the box. I mean, Illamasqua is not, you know, it's not cheap. It's a really well-made brand, and this is the liner. Okay, and I'm just going to use this in a video. Actually, I might do a Ipsy Glam box look, so look out for that. Next, we have the Triple Shot Mascara from Ciate, full size. Okay, like hello. Oh my god, now I know why As a makeup artist, I've heard many clients brag about Ipsy and what they get, and even though they shop at Sephora or Nordstrom or, you know, cosmetics departments, they still have Ipsy, and I get it now. I get it. For 25 bucks, hello, that first eyeliner was already worth it. And now you get a full-size mascara? What? And this is the packaging and the components. Very cute. I like. And let's see, I've never tried this one before, so let's look at the brush. Ooh. Wow. That is a nice brush. I tend to prefer more brush mascara ones as opposed to plastic, and this is nice. Thank you, Ipsy. Next, we're moving to our third item from the box, and it is part of the skincare. And this is from the company called Bliss. It's the Oh My Gommage. It is a stick formula of the Gentle Polishing Cleanser. Okay, I'm loving that. So it's very much in same kind of packaging and kind of concept like Milk makeup, cosmetics, and skincare, which is great because when you're traveling, this Bliss cleanser is great because it's not liquid. They're not going to take it out of your luggage, and it's 30 grams. It's 1 ounce. So this is a full-size product as well. I am impressed. I can't wait to try this. And just wash it off, exfoliate, because it's important to take care of your skin before you put on your makeup. That's how you use less makeup when your skin is properly taken care of. Okay, but let's face it, your girl likes to do a cake face too, so don't judge. Ooh, pretty. So this fourth item from the Ipsy Glam bag June 2020 is another full-size skincare, and it's from f.a.r.a.h. I'm loving everything watermelon, and this is the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm lightweight oil-free gel cream. It refreshes and moisturizes. Let's look at the components, shall we? Because this is the first time I am experiencing any kind of skincare from okay, it's in a humongo tube, 1.7 ounce. Very nice. I love like that kind of like that metallic-y look. And okay, we have a little bit of a okay, there we go. Does it have a smell? Okay. And it's, oh, it glides on very nicely. And you know, I'm oily but dehydrated, so I definitely still need moisture. Your oils from your face doesn't actually equate to moisture, if you know what I mean, but it does help in terms of oily skin girls just like me. I have to say, we tend to look a little younger than our actual age, so that's kind of like the pros to it. But then you're dealing with like large pores and oily T-zones. But ooh, that is nice. Ooh, sorry guys, my little headband. Sorry. Actually, this is like it's like a band for I think one of my robes, but I made it into a headband. DIY. And the final product that you get in your June 2020 Ipsy box are brushes. Oh my gosh, I love brushes. And these, it's a 5-piece eye brush set from f.a.r.a.h. F.a.r.a.h. And never tried this brand, but I'm excited because I do love brushes, all kinds, from drugstore to high-end. And you know, as artistry is evolving, ooh, I'm liking the, okay, so they're synthetic. That's okay. We can't really see the lettering because I'm sorry, my ring light is like a little too bright. But you have, let's see, like 2 blending brushes, a smaller crease brush. This looks like an angled flat shadow brush, and a regular shadow brush. Okay, so these are great. I mean, even, you know, the one thing with synthetic brushes too, you can definitely work a lot of creams or liquids and buff it out. So, you know, you can use some of these for like buffing out your concealer, or you know, maybe using it a little bit to like smudge out like a cream shadow primer, or cream shadow, and, you know, kind of like blend it out, make it smoky. So yeah, I'm excited. And last but not very least is your Ipsy. So every box gets or every bag gets a Ipsy bag. You can put your items in. This is adorable. I'm loving the minty turquoisey look. So you can put your items in here. It's yellow inside, which is so summery, with this cute Ipsy tag. Oh my god, adorbs. Okay, so that $25. What? And you know, I would also check online for the $15 bag, because I believe everyone gets one of these. And I mean, I just can't believe what you're getting for the price. It's amazing. Okay, so let's review what's in the box. You get the bag, you get the 5-piece f.a.r.a.h. brushes, you get the, let me go back into the box, you get the full-size Bliss polishing cleanser, which is great because it comes in this component and formulation, so you don't have to worry about liquids when you travel. The f.a.r.a.h. lightweight oil-free gel, what is this, gel balm. Okay, put that in the baggie. And the Ciate triple shot XXL mascara. Let's open that up again, and it's full size. So all of this is full size. And the Illamasqua, what? Illamasqua liquid liner. Well, I'm impressed. Great box. Thank you, Ipsy. And if you love this review and want to subscribe to Ipsy, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.